Sure many of you heard about the Supreme Court decision, so praise the Lord. That was good news, right? So, in fact, next month we're going to be showing a movie. It's a documentary about how this all came to be, and so it's kind of behind the scenes on some of the doctors that now have come the other direction and realized how they were, how it was politically motivated at the time and how some of them were paid off. And so very fascinating. So we'll be showing that probably in about a month or so. So I just want to make mention of that. Be praying for the Health Resource Center. They are at an all-time high of now trying to minister to people and help people that are hurting in our community. So great ministry, Christ-centered Health Resource Center downtown. So